Hello, welcome to TextureMyth. In this session, we will cover the further values from the RTVSYSVAL command. In order to explain the same, I am taking this program in edit mode. So here you can see that first of all we have declared three variables here, uh, and the variable you can declare with the help of IBM official website. There you will find all the information regarding the data type and length for the respective value. Okay, so once the variable is declared, now we are good to hit the command. So for that you just need to write RTVSYSVAL, then press F4. So once you press F4, you will be taken to this screen where you will find two fields where we are supposed to pass the value. First one is the sysval and second was the return variable. Okay, system val here we need to pass that value name which we want to retrieve from the system, and in return variable we will pass the variable name where we will hold the output. Okay, so to know more about this field, what we can do, we can press F1 here on this screen, and once you press F1 you will be reached to this help screen where you will find all the possible values that we can retrieve from the RTVSYSVAL command with their description. So these are the value that we have already covered in our previous session. So today we are going to discuss about this value, which is QENDJOBLMT, which here it is mentioned maximum time in seconds for application cleanup during immediate ending of the job. So if you do page down here, you will find lots of information regarding this value. So you can refer it from here and you can get the desired output. Okay. And the second value we are going to discuss is QFRCCVNRST, which means force conversion on restore. So there are various expected value for this command, like 0 means do not convert anything, do not prevent anything from being restored. 1 means object with validation error will be converted, and 2 means object requiring conversion to be used the current version of the operating system. 3 means object suspected of having been tampered with, object containing validation errors, and object requiring conversion to be used by the current version of the operating system or on the current machine will be converted. 4 means object that contains the sufficient creation data to be converted and do not have valid digital signature will be converted. An object that does not contain sufficient creation data will be restored without conversion. Okay, so likewise you can refer, there are various values that it will return, so you can go through directly from here and then you will find the information as per as per the output you receive. You can check what actually you are getting. Okay, third value we are going to discuss is QR. So here it is mentioned hour of the day. So basically it will return the hour of the day. Changes made to the system value take effect immediately. So now we got the information regarding these values. Now we just need to copy it from here and just put in your system value field. So I'm pasting it here along with the variable where I want to hold the output. Likewise I am doing for the other two values on line number 18 and line number 20. So once these three lines got executed, we are good to print the values. So for printing the values you can use this command sndpgmmsg command, and as we know that here if the value is in decimal, then in that case we need to convert the value to character using the character built-in function. So I'm converting it, and other two values are already in character type, so there is no need of any kind of conversion, so we will pass it directly. Okay, so here in this session we are just printing the values in order to explain the topic. Otherwise what you can do, you can you can use it as per your logic or your requirement. Okay, so once these three lines got executed, we will be able to print the values on the output screen. Okay, now it's time to compile the program, so I'm compiling it. So once it is compiled, we will call it. Now I'm calling this. So first value we are getting here is 120, second is 0, and third one is 4. So this is how you can utilize this RTVSYSVAL command for retrieving the values. I hope this session is clear to you, and in the upcoming session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching TextureMyth.